Welcome to this comprehensive guide on TradeOgre, a trusted and secure cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will take you through everything you need to know to get started on the platform. First, let's head to TradeOgre's website and log in or sign up. Signing up is quick, and once you're done, you'll have access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. TradeOgre's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the available markets and manage your account settings. You can deposit funds using various cryptocurrencies or stablecoins. Once your funds are in your account, you can start trading by selecting a pair from the available markets. The platform offers quick execution of orders and ensures that your transactions are secure with robust encryption and verification procedures. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's dive into the withdrawal process. It's simple to withdraw your funds from TradeOgre to your personal wallet. Just choose the coin you want to withdraw, enter your wallet address, and confirm the transaction. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage your assets conveniently. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on crypto platforms and trading tips. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up